Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to talk about what is Metaverse crypto, about legendary play to earn games, how it's connected to crypto, how you can 10x 100x your money with gaming tokens. We're gonna look closely at the top gaming tokens and talk about the latest news, the Metaverse crypto world. So stay with me and we're going to look at this close. Also guys, don't forget about my free Bybit bonus, which is $4,100. You can sign up from my link right here below my videos. Go ahead and find the link, sign up and trade with this money, because it's always better to trade with money which is given as reward, so you can 10x your money. So let's firstly understand what is Metaverse token, what is play to earn crypto. Play to earn games refer to the concept of gaming in which a platform provides its players with a chance to earn any form of in-gaming assets that can be transferred to the real world as a valuable resource. So in easy language, players earn tokens by winning the battles in the game, by playing game, and by diving into Metaverse crypto reality. Let's look at this article which is saying what is Metaverse. The definition of the Metaverse really depends on who you ask. It's a 3D virtual world, especially in an online role-playing game. Billionaire Facebook boss Mark Zuckerberg calls it the next version of the internet. He said, "This isn't about spending more time on screens. It's about making the time we already spend better." Facebook has even rebranded its parent company operation as Meta, as the part of commitment to the Metaverse. Let's look at this article which is saying, for the first time in 17 years, Mark Zuckerberg has a new job title. On Thursday, he officially became the CEO and chairman of Meta, the new parent company name for Facebook. He says, "I think we're basically moving from being Facebook first as company to being Metaverse first." There's another news which explode the gains of Metaverse stock, which is Microsoft CEO lays out post-pandemic vision for work, including a new Metaverse concept. Microsoft offered its own take of the Metaverse with the instruction of mesh for terms. Microsoft Metaverse related announcement come less than a week after Facebook said it would reshape its company into a new parent organization known as Meta and broaden its focus further beyond social media to developing Metaverse related experiences. Let's look at the crypto bubbles and we see that all market today is red. Maybe only less than 10 cryptos are green, so it's kind of good sign to buy the dip, and you even can buy the dip of Metaverse token, which we are going to talk about right now. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, because here I'm posting crypto content which you should know about, and here I posted about Metaverse tokens you should know about. So let's look at these Metaverse tokens closely, and we're going to coin market cap, and here we can even find the categories which is Metaverse. And the first one, of course, it's Axie Infinity. The second one is Mana, and let's look at these tokens closely on the charts. You can see that Axie Infinity is down by 7.5% and it's staying on the price which is $134 right now. Let's find the all-time high, which was recently $157 just on 6 November, so we are not so far away from the all-time high. Play to earn revolution. Axie, it's a new type of game partially owned and operated by its players. Earn Axie tokens by playing and use them to decide the future of the game. So what is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity is NFT based online video game which uses Ethereum based cryptocurrency, which is Axie Infinity token and SLP. It was the most expensive NFT collection of May 2021. Let's move to the next token, which is Mana, and as you can see here, Mana down by 8% and it's staying at the price $3. And let's look at the chart of Mana, and here you can see such a huge pump right here, and recent all-time high which was on October 28. Here you can see explore, lose yourself in amazing evolving world, create, test the limits of imagination and trade, a virtual destination for digital assets. Decentraland is a decentralized 3D virtual reality platform that consists of 90,000 parcels land. Virtual estate in Decentraland are NFTs which can be bought by the cryptocurrency Mana, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Let's talk about price prediction, and according to the WaltonInvestor.com, the price of Mana is supposed to rise up to $7, almost $8 in 5 years. According to another platform, the price of Mana will rise up to $4 by the end of this year and up to $9 in 2025. Everyone has their own prediction, but let's keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is high volatility, so prediction can be correct or wrong. It doesn't matter. You should always do your own research before investing into crypto. Let's look at the third one, token and coin market cap, which is Engine Coin and Sandbox. So these tokens are the most popular in Metaverse crypto world. I want to show you one more, which is Illivium, and I talked about Illivium in my another video, which is top altcoins of November. So come back to my YouTube channel and watch this video to know about Illivium more. But let's see the price of Illivium. It's $1,000, and it's crazy because from the June of 2021 you can see such a pretty steady increase of price, and again recently we had the all-time high of this token, which was $1,300, and now we're not so far away from this all-time high. Yeah, I think recently most of the Metaverse token reached their all-time high, and it talks by itself about huge potential of the Metaverse tokens. Let's look at one more potential gains of the Metaverse crypto, which is UFO Gaming, and let's go to the website to see what is UFO Gaming. Let's look at the Earn with Metaverse virtual land. Traded as NFTs, virtual land is a dedicated supply of land available to be minted, while some can be purchased through open action with UFO token. You can see their in-game NFTs, NFT marketplace, and it also promised their own multi-chain. UFO will be launching games on some of the most reputable chains, which is Matic, Solana, ADA, as you can see. So it's going to be really interesting, and you definitely should have a look on this token and this game. So guys, that was my quick, or maybe not quick, video about Metaverse crypto world, and I'm going to make more videos of it. I'm going to make videos of top potential gainers of the Metaverse crypto. So stay with me, subscribe to my channel, comment and like my videos. It's really important for me and I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video.